Yeah. Ayi wena. Ke. Akodwa mfowethu, ubhodlile kwabhodleka hayi indoda bless you. I scratch my head with inkwethu bashonepho mashela mawufuna iload ngamagama ethu. Ayikodwa bhodla-ke wehlisa njoba kwehla I just hope ukuthi awugqokanga ikepisi ngithi uyakhuphuka kanti ubona mina ngistepisa akugcwala amakhwanthama ayi-4 nosomatekisi yazi bathi Zulu uyasabeka basho uzakwe noZulu boy lo uZulu uyasabela ngisho ikhokhe bezikhonkotha lo uZulu esama ngenja hayi ukuthi likhithikile ukuthi iZulu suke libheda I mean uZulu suka bheda ngizwe bathi uyu umphetha athi ngivuke ngidlula umphetha ngeke ngivume kungidelele ngeke ngizidlule ngiyosebenza ngapha imali ngenza ngilele ngithi bangivuke idlula umphethe I should barely even move me. It's not even a diss track. Ngithethisa nje groupie. Someone roll the credits. Isiphelile le movie. Na inkabi trying to fake like everything is Gucci. Oshunwa nkabi sifuna imali inkulungwane ukukhulumana isuka umphansi kuvuka ihambe inkunza ndala isizukulwane. Awumeka nani. Lethu kanti hlula bani. Buka namhla kunecareer ngibonga ubhuti ududuzane. As way out of line. So you do the shit for Twitter and I'm way offline. Could've kept doing your shit and just laid off mine. And unhloniphe boy, my leftovers changed your life. I'm a star clever, mangena cameras click flash. Ngazophandela lot clever, get your shit smashed. But uzambela kahle nje udlala i-3-stepper where my car vela kuyaziveza inkabi spits trash. Uthi uzongiqasha ngidrive itaxi uyakhohlwa ngakuse icon ngaqasha udrive itaxi boy ishofa le icon ngibonisa umhlaba lapha esentini so uyangiphoxa manje urapper ngami uchaza inkabi nation. I am who to thank. I'm not with the tricks, Donna. I don't do the pranks. I just feed the bank. I am never gassed. I shoot from the tank. Where my gas are? I am in the league where you don't even rank. Okay, oh, did you in? Bet you out there in my old crib, craving for a win. Gave you everything. Ain't no saving you again. When I chef who pepe nene and just take it on the chin. Oh yeah, man, land. Oh yeah, man, land. Enhleke makwenzeka umani uyiyeke nerap uhlezi ufone ufuna iverse ngifike ngene ngikunembe urap ngathi awulizwe ibeat shame ngivele ngikuzwele hey washo ke Big Zulu wona khona ma hit ayaspeak lutho lento is simple uvela ufika ubamba imic ube nolaka ucanga to blind kanti slind hook exebheka kumele uyeke ukuzenza uclever ngakadressa senyaphinda nyakadressa uya remember ngikukhuthaza unganathemba now you think your words is hard kanti uhleli kuflathela hayibo nangumdrayisenike uthi mina ngizomlethela imali ye-checking hayi mhlawumbe ubhemini lapho wonke umuntu asipana nayo ufakwe yimi egaming uNkulunkulu sanimdala mangaka phusha amaphupha ngazi nokuthi ebusuku ngilala kanjani umgulukude into ebeyireyulula ingana kanjani ukhulu ubuso kodwa ukhumbula ukuthi umshana kabani bheka ngiyakuzuma sniper siyakhala ikhanda ngiyaliphula ngiphahlaza imicabanga inamba ngiyayithunga inkabi rhyme ngempahla I take you out take that how you want umnyango restapa kimi kuyafana kawo sina my presence a present engasaphani ngayo ongifaka u7 ayiseva lemphonsa ngibamba ngayo bona ngisintanga yakho took it from peasant to pleasant this little life of mine don't fuck around.
So izolo ungifonele kuseni ngibuye e-studio ngithi ngizolala and then mangicede ukungena engubeni Kwesta wafona wathi baba ngicela ungithumele ibeat ngifuna ukurecorda la ngathi ufuna ukwenzana nathi hayi ufuna vele ukushava le reply ngathi angisalali ngiyeza lapho ithi ngimane ngize ngizokurecorda mina self. So I found him bekashaye the first half of the song was like a minute and a couple of seconds and then the rest of the song uyibhale ngiloko ngibhizi ngebeat like on the spot because I mean you know we do this on the spot. So i vocal chain yami